my channel Beautiful You. This is Aditi Pal, your friend, and today I'm going to do unboxing of my first Go and Say box. So this is a May month's Go and Say box, and I'm going to open it. Actually, it comes in another box, so we can see it's a very good packaging. So let's open it and see what we have got inside it. So let's see. Okay, I'm opening it. So we can see this is a cardboard kind of box, and I'm opening it, and so it comes in a packaging like this. Okay, so this here it is written, be your own kind of beautiful, you can see, and it comes in a packaging of plastic material, totally and completely packed. I'm opening it. So here is my box, and we can see, I will show you how it is. It looks something like this. Okay, adds some graffiti and everything else that I have got. So it's awesome, and I know it. So this is the card, and behind it they have written all the ingredients and the products that they have sent us this month. So that's it. So okay, something has fallen down. Okay, so the first product is this Earth Naturals, and this is their card of Earth Naturals, and they have also said about from where it is. It is made in Uttarakhand. If you can see the card properly, you can see Uttarakhand is written over here, and it's a retail store. And then the products and the category and the products that are there in Earth. So what is the product from Earth that we have got? So let's see. So this is the first product. This is Earth Natural Hair Protein Pack. So it's very good quantity. You can see, yes, its quantity is 1 minute. Okay, it is 150 grams of the product. This is Earth Naturals Hair Protein Pack with spiked ginger, lily and soya bean. So it does look good, and its active ingredients are green grams, black grams, soya bean, sesame, fenugreek, curry leaves, spiked ginger lily, almond powder, Acorus calamus. So we can see totally natural and very good, and I think it's better. Yes, this is SLES free, paraben free, artificial fragrance free and natural product. So it's a very good product for your hair. It's a protein pack that will definitely, I think I'm going to try. I have never tried any hair pack before like this. I have tried all the things that we have got at home and all the natural ingredients pack, but not a hair pack like this. So it's going to be my first time. So the price of this is 325 rupees. So this is my first product. The second product in this is, okay, so this is also from Earth, body obtained with oats. So it looks something like this, you can see. Okay, how much is the product? Okay, it is 100 gram of the products, and the cost of this is also 325 rupees. It's with body obtained with oats, and the other ingredients: wheat flour, barley, oats, chickpeas, turmeric, licorane, winter cherry and trifala. So all these are natural ingredients, and I think this is also SLS free, SLA free, paraben free, artificial fragrance and everything free. So I am definitely looking forward to trying out this pack too, the second product. Okay, the third product is from my favorite brand, and this is natural, and this is natural facial toner, grapefruit and vitamin C. So this is the third product that I have got. This is 50 gram of the product, and this is a grapefruit and vitamin C toner, and I know that all the natural products are really good, and I just love them. So I'm definitely going to love this one too. And as it is from grapefruit and vitamin C, definitely a good toner, as a good oily skin, and this citrus kind of flavors, I just love them. So this is definitely good, and the price is 240 rupees. Okay, the price, for the pricing, actually the prices are written behind these products, and it's written here also in this card. Here for natural it is not written, because it is not to be sold individually, sorry, and it is made specially for Go and Say box. So the price of this 50 ml of the product is 240 rupees. So let's go for the another product and the last product from this, and this is natural forming face wash, grapefruit and vitamin C. Again, very beautiful product. So it's from grapefruit and vitamin C face wash for my oily skin, and that from Naturals, definitely going to try. So this is also 50 ml of the product, and its price is also 240 rupees. So that was my box for Go and Save box. This was my first box, and I think I am definitely in love with this box because I've got all the products that are paraben free, SLS free, and definitely natural. And the products are not that I have, because all the products that I have got, I haven't even tried this one from Naturals vitamin C, and the toner I have not tried. I have tried a lot of natural products, but these are going to be the first one for me, these two products. And then Earth, I have never actually I have not heard about this company, but I have got the products. I just love them, and it's really good. So these are the two products. So if you like my box and if you like my video, do click a like button, to subscribe to my channel, and keep watching. I love you, and please put in the comment section down below what have you got in your box.